Yeah.
Watch number 255 remains in effect until 10
Oh, they're
p.m.
gonna
for the
finish this
following
stupid
counties
watch again.
in Illinois.
No, never mind.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m.
Chicago wings are about to blow.
7:29 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Lombard, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dunning, Forest Glen, Bellwood, Berkeley, Rogers Park, Hillside, Lisle, Winnetka, Northlake, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, Schiller Park, York Center, Highwood, Deerfield, Edison Park, Glenview, Highland Park, Stone Park, Elmwood Park, Elmhurst, Gulf, Glencoe, Niles, and Rosemont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
So we had a whopping 1/4 inch of rain.
The following is a summary of what...